Welcome back, hackers. Today I'll be showing you why you shouldn't ever save your password in your browser or anyone else's browser for that matter. Just use a password manager. Alright, so I've just created a custom website for demonstration. I entered ABCDEFG into username and password and we press submit. Alright, and if we press save, he's gonna press save right now, and we reload the page. Right, then it'll be auto-filled, and we can see that there's no show button, right? So the attacker cannot view our password in plain text even though it's saved in the browser. We need that additional level of authentication, but that's wrong. See, Windows security is asking for my password, but let's say the computer user doesn't know your Windows password. They can still get it even though there's no show button, and on Google Chrome passwords it's blocked. So how do they do it? Open up Chrome development tools and you click on the input box, change the type to anything else, and the password is there in plain text. It's as easy as that. The attacker now has your plain text password, given that they had full access to your computer, so not that surprising. Next, this site has a show password button, so it's even easier. Once you save your password in the browser and you reload, it will auto-fill it, right? And the show password will just let them see instantly what the password is. Now, thank you for watching and goodbye.